Hello, this is Silvia Mendez and this is my Enhancement 4 project. So for this project we needed to create 3 new views. The first one is this page and this is the product management, and as you can see our default view is the product manager view, and in this product management view we create these 2 links that work. One to add a new category and this other one to add a new product. So these 2 links have a pair key value that would be sending to our products controller in order to see our category form. So when we click here in add new category, when we click here to add a new category, and I can add here a new category. You can see in the address here that here we have the action keys that are sent into this, and it's where my controller goes. So when we are here, if we click in the button here, submitting the category with not writing anything, so it's empty, we are going to receive this message that our PHP is explaining that we are missing some data. So we need to provide the information. Okay, so let's put here rope, and then we add the category, and it's going to return me, redirecting me to our product management view once again. So there is no message, but we can see here that the new category added, rope, was added to our navigation bar. So this is a dynamic website. So when I click here in my add new product, my website is going to send to my controller, and this action is going to take me to my PHP product PHP. But one more important thing is that since I created this drop-down menu list dynamic as my navigation bar, here you can see rope, which was the new category I just created. So it is over here and it's also over here. So all data from the views are sent to the controller. The data was filtered and stored in variables, so if some missing data is discovered, then the controller should return an error message to the viewer so that the missing data can be provided. So in this case, if I do add product without writing anything in this, we are going to receive this message. Please provide information for all empty form fields. So I will have this message saying that I cannot have empty fields, so I can add a product that would be added to the database table, and the function would return an indication of success or failure of the insertion attempt to the controller. So there would be a success message display in the new added view. So I'm going to add a product here. So let's put nylon catcher. So here I'm adding the information. And then I add the product. So after the product, I receive this message. Congratulations, the product nylon catcher was successfully inserted. So each one of these views are going to be validated in CSS, no errors found, and in HTML. So it has just some warnings, but no errors. So here is my product management page, which is also validated in HTML. Okay, no errors. And then the new category also validated in HTML. Okay. And in here, we can see that in the categories database, we have the rope category name. The category ID is 11 because I tried several times to check that everything was working. That's why I have the number 11. And in the inventory, here is going to be the last one I add, which is nylon catcher, which is also 18 because I add another one before and I deleted, but to check that everything was working all right. So even though I erased them, that's the number I have. So this is how my enhancement for project was working, and thank you for watching. Just checking again to be sure. Here I am in the product management page, and it has a valid HTML. Okay. And invalid CSS. I go to the new category and I have a valid HTML. And the new product, and also has a valid HTML. Okay, thanks for watching.